Welcome, class. Today we are going to work on equivalent fractions. Okay, equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal to each other. Okay, the first one we're going to work on today is first one we're going to work on today is 5/8. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to look at this and we're going to come up with 3 more fractions that all are equivalent to 5/8. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think, what can I do? I'm going to multiply the top number by 2. Okay, so I'm going to take 5 times 2 and get 10. Okay, so whatever I do to the top, I always have to do to the bottom. So I'm going to take 8 times 2 and get 16. Okay, we think about this, we think about if we did it backwards. Started at 10 and divided it by 2, we'd get 5. We started with 16, we divide it by 2, we get 8. Okay, so they're still equivalent. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to take 5 times 3. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. And whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. So I'm going to take 8 times 3 and get 24. Okay, the last one I'm going to do is take 5 times 4 and get 20. And then take 8 times 4 and get 32. As you can see, all of these are equivalent to each other. Okay. Next one we're going to do is 2/3. Okay. Again, we're going to come up with 3 examples that are equivalent to 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to start simple. 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I'm going to take 2 times 3 and get 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And then I'm going to take 2 times 4 and 3 times 4. And as you can see, I'm just gradually getting bigger, but they can all be simplified to 2/3. The last one I'm going to take a look at today is 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Pretty simple, but I'm not going to do what I did on the last ones. Start at 2 and go up. I'm going to start at 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Still 1/2. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Last one is 1 times 6. And 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay? I'm going to give you 4 problems on the next slide. Okay? What I want you to do, I want you to come up with 3 examples for each one. And when you are done, I want you to go see your teacher with your answers and check with them to see if you are correct. Okay, once you are done, we have a little worksheet for you to practice listing 3 equivalent fractions for the fraction given. Okay, first one I want you to look at is 4/5. Okay, provide 3 examples. The second one I want you to do is to work 3/8. Again, find 3 examples that fit that as well. The third one I want you to work on, 7/11. Provide 3 examples that fit there. And the last one, a little bit of a challenge. 14/15. Okay, provide 3 examples as well. When you get done with all 4 of these, double check to make sure that they are all equivalent to each other. You can double check by dividing that same number to see if you can simplify it down to that fraction. Okay, remember, whatever you do to the top, the numerator, you have to do to the denominator on the bottom. Okay. I hope you all have a great day, and double check with your teacher when you are done for your worksheet. All right, have a great day.